Welcome to today's discussion on a significant decision you may face in your life, whether to buy or rent a home. This choice isn't just about where you'll hang your hat, it's about your financial future, your lifestyle, and your personal freedom. In this conversation, we'll unpack the advantages and disadvantages of each choice, offering you a comprehensive view of these two paths. So without further ado, let's start by exploring the advantages of buying a home. One of the key benefits of buying a home is building equity. This concept of equity refers to the portion of the property that you truly own. Each mortgage payment you make increases your equity, effectively turning your monthly housing costs into a sort of forced savings plan. Over time, this can serve as a significant financial asset, offering you a substantial return on your investment when it's time to sell or refinance. But owning a home isn't just about the financial gain, it's also about stability and security. When you own your home, you're not at the mercy of a landlord who might decide to sell the property or increase the rent. You have the freedom to make your space your own, from painting the walls your favorite color to installing that dream kitchen you've always wanted. And let's not forget the sense of community that comes with homeownership. You have the opportunity to put down roots, to become a part of the neighborhood, and to contribute to the local community in a way that's often not possible when you're renting. However, buying a home also comes with its own set of challenges. There's the upfront financial commitment, including the down payment and closing costs. Then there are the ongoing expenses like property taxes, insurance, and maintenance, which can add up over time. And of course, there's the fact that owning a home ties you to a specific location, which can limit your flexibility if your circumstances change. One major consideration when buying a home is the upfront costs. These can be quite steep and include not only the down payment, which can range from 3 to 20% of the home's price, but also closing costs. These costs can include loan origination fees, appraisal fees, and title insurance, among others. Beyond these initial costs, owning a home comes with ongoing expenses. These include property taxes, homeowner's insurance, and regular maintenance. From replacing a leaky roof to fixing a broken furnace, these unexpected costs can add up over time. Another financial aspect to consider is the potential for home value depreciation. While we often think of homes as appreciating assets, they can also lose value due to economic downturns or changes in the neighborhood, but financial implications aren't the only considerations. Homeownership can also limit your mobility. Once you've bought a house, it's not easy to just pack up and move. Selling a home can take time and resources, and there's no guarantee you'll get back what you put in. This lack of flexibility can be a significant drawback, especially for those who may need to relocate for work or personal reasons. So, while owning a home can be a great investment and provide stability, it's not without its drawbacks. From the financial strain of upfront and ongoing costs, to the commitment of staying in one place, these are important factors to consider. On the flip side, renting offers flexibility and freedom. Renting a home allows you to easily relocate for career or lifestyle changes. This flexibility is a significant advantage for those who value mobility or are in professions that require frequent moves. Uncertain about where you want to settle? Renting can be the perfect solution. In addition to flexibility, renting offers predictable monthly expenses. Your rent is a fixed amount each month, which can make budgeting easier. You won't have to worry about unexpected costs like a broken water heater or a leaky roof, as those are typically the landlord's responsibility. This can certainly take a load off your mind and your wallet, especially if you're not particularly handy or simply don't have the time to deal with home repairs. Moreover, renting can also provide access to amenities that might be out of reach otherwise. Think of swimming pools, gyms, and community centers. Some rental properties even offer the luxury of 24/7 security services. These features can greatly enhance your quality of life without the burden of additional costs or maintenance. Lastly, there's the benefit of not having to deal with property taxes directly. While it's true that landlords factor these costs into your rent, you are spared the task of dealing with these often complex and time-consuming assessments. However, as with any housing option, renting does have its drawbacks. But we'll delve into that in our next segment. Stay tuned. Unlike homeownership, renting does not build equity. Now, what does this mean? Simply put, equity is the part of the property you actually own. When you buy a home, each payment you make towards your mortgage is like depositing money into a savings account. Over time, the amount you've paid off, your equity, increases, and you own a larger part of your home. When you rent, however, this isn't the case. Every rent payment you make goes straight into your landlord's pocket, and none of it contributes to owning any part of the property. This means you're essentially paying for someone else's investment and not building any wealth of your own. Another con of renting is the potential for rent increases. While renting can initially be more affordable than buying, rent prices can increase over time, and often, they do. This means you may end up paying more for the same property over the years, without the benefit of building equity. Additionally, as a renter, you're subject to changes in rental terms. Your landlord may decide to sell the property, or make changes that don't align with your lifestyle. This can disrupt your living situation and cause a lack of stability. In the end, the decision to buy or rent a home depends on various factors. It's a choice that requires careful consideration of your financial situation, lifestyle preferences, and long-term goals. The decision to buy or rent a home depends on your financial situation, lifestyle preferences, and long-term goals. As we've explored throughout this discussion, both options come with their own set of advantages and challenges. Homeownership offers the opportunity to build equity, provides a sense of stability and security, and allows for personalization of your space. However, it also involves substantial upfront costs and can tie you down to a specific location, potentially limiting flexibility. On the other hand, renting offers freedom and flexibility, with the ability to relocate easily and a predictable monthly expense. But it comes with the downside of not building equity, essentially paying for someone else's investment, and the potential instability of rent increases or changes in rental terms. In essence, there's no one-size-fits-all answer to this question. It's a decision that should be made after careful consideration of your unique circumstances. Think about your financial readiness, your job stability, and your lifestyle preferences. Consider your future plans. Do you see yourself settling down in one place for a long time, or do you value the ability to move easily for job opportunities or lifestyle changes? Remember, a home is more than just a financial investment. It's where you'll spend a significant amount of your time, create memories, and possibly raise a family. So beyond the financial considerations, think about what will make you happy and comfortable in the long run. In conclusion, whether you're leaning towards buying or renting, it's crucial to weigh the pros and cons carefully. Be sure to do your research, ask questions, and seek advice from professionals if needed. And most importantly, make a decision that aligns with your individual needs and circumstances. Thank you for joining us in this discussion. We hope this has provided some valuable insights to help you navigate this significant life decision. Don't forget to subscribe to Realty Solutions for more videos.